Namaste, myself Akhilesh JC of class 11th. Welcome to Aero Genius, where artificial intelligence meets human expertise to create a future where technology amplifies our capabilities rather than replaces them. Our AI-powered platform is designed to elevate workflows across biotechnology, agriculture, and space research, offering powerful tools to enhance the work of researchers, scientists, and innovators. AeroGenius bridges the gap between complex data and actionable insights, enabling you to make smarter, faster decisions while focusing on what you do best, pioneering breakthroughs, and driving meaningful impact. With AI as your co-pilot, research becomes more precise, efficient, and insightful, unlocking possibilities that were once beyond reach. Together, we can push the boundaries of innovation not by replacing human intuition, but by enhancing it.
In the domain of agriculture sector, platform PlanetWise provide prediction tools for farmers to predict whether a plant is affected by disease or not. This works when a farmer uploads their plant image, a pre-trained AI model detects whether a plant is infected by disease or not, using various algorithms. It also suggests various treatment and measure.
So as you can see, this is the home page of AeroGenius, the About page, the Plans page, the Contact page, and the main one, the Services page. Here you can find the different services/platforms that we had talked about earlier in the video. We're going to walk you through some of these features, starting with plant disease prediction. Now, using this feature, you can identify a variety of diseases in plants. So now as you can see, I have this particular plant disease. Now I know this is mango mildew, but let's assume the farmer doesn't know this and he is loading this image. So now the AI will provide him with a bunch of information about the disease, the mitigation, and the remedies. Now as you can see here, now this will allow the farmers to ensure better cropping.
One among our many features is air pollution indicators. Air pollution indicators measure harmful pollutants in the air like particulate matter of diameter 2.5 and 10 and gases such as nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and ozone. These indicators provide real-time data to assess air quality, which is crucial for public health, environmental protection, and regulatory compliance. High pollution levels can lead to respiratory illnesses, cardiovascular diseases, and much more health problems. The Air Quality Index is a numerical indicator that summarizes the concentration of various pollutants in the air around. The specific pollutants include carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and particulate matters of diameter 10, 2.5, and ammonia. The air quality index values are typically divided into different categories. Examples are good, poor, very poor, and moderate. These are based on pollutant concentration levels. A high air quality index indicates a significant health risk.
So as you can see, let's move on to the next feature, that is air pollution indicator. Now here, when I open this feature, it asks me for my location, and if I look at, it's able to pick up my location automatically and then show the air quality index by using artificial intelligence and various data mining techniques. So if I just click on search, it's showing me the air quality index and the different pollutants in the air and the graph as well. So this makes it very much easier for anyone to know about the air quality in and around the surroundings.
The next feature is forest fire prevention. This is a predictive advanced AI tool in which users can predict whether a forest is having possibility to get fire or not. In this, users can input various values of various parameters which is predicted by the pre-trained AI model.
Now let's move to the cell counting feature. Cell counting is a very important part of biotechnological research. It's used in flow cytometry, cell therapy, drug discovery, etc. Now it is often time consuming and very much prone to error when conducted manually. So with our precision algorithms, this process of cell counting can be vastly automated, allowing more and more progress in research and for quicker research as well in the field of biotechnology.
Next, Helix platform provide advanced AI to detect brain tumor. Our brain tumor detection system assists doctors in identifying whether a patient has tumor or not. This works when a doctor uploads the MRI scan of patient's brain. Pre-trained AI model detect whether tumor is present or not. It also suggests measures to avoid brain tumor and treatment to be taken.
Let's look into brain tumor detection. Now let's upload an MRI scan image. Now this is the MRI scan that we're going to upload right now to the model, and let's see what it does. So let's upload this. And as you can see, it is able to detect brain tumor and also provides some suggestions and tips and the treatment needed to mitigate and prevent and treat this condition. So that's the brain tumor detection for.
Next, Helix platform include advanced tool to predict heart disease by analyzing patient's data. This feature works when the user input their medical details to the web app, which is connected to one pre-trained AI model that predict the possibility of the patient suffering from heart disease. It also suggests various treatment methods and measures to avoid heart disease.
Namaste, I am Lakshmanan of class 11, and we are interested in making human lives easier and enhancing human lives exponentially with the help of artificial intelligence. Next up, we present Cosmo Vision, an AI solution designed for the vast expanse of space research. Our prototype facilitates the deep analysis of satellite and telescope images, simplifying the immense data processing needed in modern astronomy. From cloud segmentation to detection of black holes, Cosmo Vision harnesses convolutional neural networks to unveil the hidden wonders of our universe. With AI at its core, it accelerates discoveries that would otherwise take years to achieve.